So real quick, I'm going to show you how to copy a week to another week so that you can save yourself a little bit of time and not have to rebuild everything. Get the right class up. So anytime you want to make changes in your course, be sure to turn editing on up here in the top right hand corner. Anytime you want to make changes, make sure editing is turned on. And you'll know it's turned on. You'll see the crosshairs appear next to activities and the edit links appear. So let's say we want to get week 3 set up. Right now there isn't any content in it. Now we have week 2 set up. And I want to copy that to week 3 and edit. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this little basket. That's this little tiny basket next to the dates for week 2. And it's going to ask if I want to copy that section and all the activities to the sharing cart. And I'll show you where the sharing cart is at. Click confirm. So if you scroll up to the top of the page, you'll see this block called the sharing cart. You only see it when editing is turned on. And what it allows you to do is copy activities within your course to other parts of your course or even to other courses. And right now we're just going to look at how to copy one section in the course to another section within the course. So you can see I have week 2 copied up here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this little copy to course box. And anywhere you can copy something, a box with a little arrow appears. So we've copied week 2 and we're going to copy it into week 3. So go ahead and click on the box with an arrow. And if you want to keep the way the section is titled for week 3, just go ahead and say keep and click continue. And then if we open up week 3, you'll see all the content that you copied over. Within this week, you can do a few things to make changes for the new week. The first thing you can do is edit the overview for the week. So if you look, you can only see it when the week is popped open. So make sure the week is popped open and look for the little gear underneath the date. And that'll allow you to edit this top part up here. So click the gear. And you can put in just about anything you want. What we're covering this week. Tasks to complete, etc. Once you're done here, just scroll down and click Save Changes. And then go back to week 3 and you'll see your overview here. If you want to edit a label that's in here, on the far right, click Edit and Edit Settings next to that label. And the same thing with assignments. If your assignment isn't quite going to be obvious, more than likely your assignment for week 3 isn't going to be exactly the same as it was for week 2. So the first thing you can do is click this little pencil next to the name and edit that. Turn in assignment 1 for week 2 here. And click enter, hit enter, the enter key. And then to edit the due dates and points, on the far right, click Edit and Edit Settings next to the assignment. So you can enter a description with instructions if you want, attach any files that are needed for this assignment, edit your due dates, and Scroll down to grade and you can edit your points if needed. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save and Return to Course. And the last thing, while you still have editing turned on, is that you can move things around as needed. So if you want to put this different label way at the top, you can. If you want to move it to the middle. If you want to shuffle the assignments a little bit, you can do that. And just grab the crosshairs to move things. And don't worry if the due dates disappear when you do that, they'll come back. And that's about it for copying one week to another week and editing the items within that new week.